guys, what's up? How's it going? It's Halloween Drawings, and today we're going to go over how to draw Tombstone. Hopefully you're having a great day. Don't forget, check out the links in the description. I'm going to be putting a really cool ebook down there, and I'm also going to be putting links to other cool videos and tutorials, so check that out. And that's pretty much it. Let's get started. So Tombstone's really easy. There's several different versions on this site. I'm going to link a few in the description, but we want to do different styles, right? Because there's only so many different things we can do in Halloween. There's a lot, but you want to do different versions of each one because it's cool and it's interesting and it keeps it fun, and it is, frankly, extremely fun. So we're going to start with that general upside down U shape. It is basically the tombstone shape. I'm gonna pull back a line there, and then I'm gonna duplicate this shape over here as exact as I can. I'm gonna thicken this line at the top here, pull straight. I'm gonna pull up for grass, and that can be just pretty random. And we're gonna throw the typical RIP, try to make it look a little bit gross, just kind of wiggly. Rest in peace. And then we're gonna throw some lines over here to kind of give that a little bit of dimension, just kind of randomly, some directional lines on there. And if you want, you can throw some makeshift cracks along the edge, like this has been aged. I'm thinking like lightning bolt shapes or veins. I'm trying to make them as thin as possible, not overdo it. It'll kind of take away from the overall kind of feel of it. And that's pretty much the end of it. If you really want, you can throw like a little bird on here, like a bird shape, like a bird silhouette, if you really want. That's kind of it. That's really easy. That's really fast. It's one of many versions that's on this page. If you guys want to request anything, I do have a list that I'm compiling for requests. I'm going to be posting once a day until Halloween, so keep up. Share the video because that is a big part of the Halloween spirit. I really want to keep this up all the way through Halloween and probably through Day of the Dead as well, like right after that. And then, we'll see how much I do it after that. But yeah, thank you so much, guys, and I will see you tomorrow and talk to you later.